Look at this mango, it's so big. Yes, it looks so juicy and sweet. Let's pick more from the tree. Okay, but smell this muss. Sanchidi, look at that little bird. It looks very tired. Yes, it must be thirsty. Sanchi, should we share our mango with the bird? Yes, Sanati. Kindness is the real magic. Yes, helping others makes our heart happy. Be kind to every living being. Please subscribe to Golden Magic Tales. Like and share this video. And don't forget to follow.